Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek and today we'll be connecting OnceHub's MCP server with Zapier's MCP client. This would allow you to use your AI integrations within Zapier or the Zapier chatbot with the OnceHub MCP server tools. This would allow you to get available time slots for your clients or your leads, as well as scheduling a meeting on their behalf without having them leave the chatbot or go to an external link. To get started, you can log into your OnceHub account to get your API key. You can also refer to our video for generating your OnceHub API key. Once you have this, you can log in to your Zapier account and then click on MCP servers from the left. Here you can click on the new MCP server button and then click on the other option. For the tools, we can click on the Add Tool button and then select the MCP client by Zapier. We can select the Run Tool option here, which will work with both of our MCP server tools. We can now click on Connect and we should be able to see a pop-up which will ask us for some of the information. The transport method would be SSE and OAuth is not required for the OnceHub integration. Regarding the URL, you can easily get this information from our developer website. I will copy the URL from here and go back to Zapier. For the bearer token, we can simply copy our API key. It looks like the client identified the OnceHub server tools. Let's click on Add Tool and check if it is working or not. The easiest way to do this would be to return to your homepage and we can try to create a new Zap. For the trigger, you would be using either Zapier's chatbot or your AI agent. For the action, we will be using the MCP client by Zapier. For the action event, we can select the Run Tool option and we can see that the MCP server we had set up is being identified correctly. For the tool, here we can see that the OnceHub MCP server tools are being identified since both the tools are available, that is retrieving a list of available booking time slots or scheduling a specific time slot. Based on the option you would select, the next information that you would have to enter is different. For example, if you are retrieving a list of available time slots, you would have to enter the booking calendar ID for the booking calendar you want to check the availability for. Similarly, you will see different fields in the second tool, which asks you for the booking calendar ID again and the time slot for the meeting that has been selected by the client. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how OnceHub's MCP server can be connected with Zapier's MCP client. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.